guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on compound subjects. A compound subject consists of two or more subjects that are joined by a conjunction and that have the same verb. Rule number 1. Subjects joined by and usually take a plural verb. For example, coffee and hot chocolate are my favorite drinks. Coffee and hot chocolate, a plural subject, take the plural verb are. Another example. Following Julius Caesar's death, Antony, Octavian, and Lepidus become the rulers of Rome. Antony, Octavian, and Lepidus, the plural subject in this sentence, become a plural verb. Please note, subjects joined by and may name only one person, place, thing, or idea. Such a compound subject takes a singular verb. For example, the secretary and treasurer is Anne. Anne is one person. Because secretary and treasurer is the same person, the one person, Anne, the subject takes a singular verb, is. Another example. Spaghetti and meatballs is the restaurant's specialty. Spaghetti and meatballs refers to one dish. Therefore, spaghetti and meatballs is a singular subject that takes a singular verb, is. Rule number 2. Singular subjects joined by or nor take a singular verb. For example, either Felicia or Erin sits in the front row. Felicia or Erin is a singular subject. Therefore, it takes a singular verb, sits. Another example. Has the cat or the dog been fed yet? Cat or dog is a singular subject. Therefore, it takes a singular verb phrase, has been fed. Another example. Neither Jeff nor Jenny wants to see the movie. Jeff nor Jenny takes wants, a singular verb. Rule number 3. When a singular subject and a plural subject are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearer to the verb. For example, neither the players nor the coach was ready to concede defeat. The singular subject, coach, is nearer the verb, and for that reason, the verb is singular. Let's look at the second example. Neither the coach nor the players were ready to concede defeat. The plural subject, players, is nearer the verb, and for that reason, the verb is plural. Style tip. When possible, revise sentences to avoid awkward wordings like the previous examples. Neither the players nor the coach was ready to concede defeat. Neither the coach nor the players were ready to concede defeat. To make these sentences less awkward, let's revise. The coach was not ready to concede defeat, and neither were the players. See the difference?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos on this channel. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.